Hey guys, so today I am coming on here to show you how I make Play-Doh. And I'm making a whole bunch of batches today for school, but I thought it'd be fun to have my girls join me. Girls!
Hey!
Oh, here they are. They're here to help us. So here are the ingredients that you will need to make this Play-Doh. All right, so hopefully you can see this okay. This is the best we can do for a shot today. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to mix our ingredients together. So we're gonna take our cup of flour, and Addison's gonna dump it in for us. Okay. And then Cora is going to dump in our salt. Just set it down. Okay. And we're going to stir that together. Addison, go ahead. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, now Coralie is going to add our cream of tartar. There's 2 tablespoons.
Now I stir.
Okay.
Now I stir.
Yeah, stir it. Don't add that yet.
And I do that.
And then we're going to add in 1 cup. Do you want to stir or do you want to add?
How about she stirs? Because I never.
Okay, so you add it and Cora will stir. Okay, go ahead and stir. And
But keep stirring.
which,
Make sure you get that bit too.
we're going to add in our flavor packet, our Kool-Aid packet as
Hey, where's
well.
mine?
And then we are going to turn on a medium to low heat.
Cora, Mom, Mommy.
And we are going to, this is why you have a high side. So we're gonna stir it.
Mommy.
Once you have it all mixed up, you can add in the
It's my turn.
vegetable oil.
Hey, I'm supposed to switch.
And stir, stir, stir.
You don't.
So I would suggest when doing this that you not wear a nice new shirt because my daughter splattered me. And I'd say we're to the point now where we can turn it out onto the counter and start kneading it. So it's about that consistency right now. So I've turned it out onto the counter. It is still pretty hot, so be careful when you're kneading it, but you will need to knead it with your hands before it's ready to play with. And it's gonna be sticky, that's why we're kneading it. Takes away the stickies.
Mom.
So it'll be this nice Play-Doh consistency. It's no longer sticky because it's cooling down. It's still pretty warm, so I still won't let my girls touch it, but I want them to smell it. Oh, did you get it on your face? So we picked up these Betty Crocker Easy Seal containers. These are from the Dollar Tree, so they were only $1 for 3 of them. So the nice thing is the lids screw on, so it's pretty airtight. So I'm just going to put it in like that. It's the perfect amount for this size. This is the 2-cup size, by the way. And then the lid screws on, and it's the perfect size. It's a great way to store it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of a video because we plan on doing more of these in the future. Whether it's a kid DIY or a decoration DIY, decor DIY, that kind of thing. We have fun making crafts at home together, so we might as well film it while we're doing it. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and want to see more like it. Thanks